Okay guys, it's me Imad from Nelson Darwin Park Tech YouTube channel. So in this video tutorial we will learn about how to play a video file within CH by using only 2 lines of code. So how we can do that? First of all, we need to go to toolbox. Or first you need to create a project. Okay, we will start from creating a project. We will CH Windows Forms application and change the name of the project if you want and click OK. Now we will say no and our new form will be generated here. So now we will go to toolbox. We will take a push button. Okay, this is for to play our video. Now we need to go to general. Okay, general. We will right click on it. We will go to choose items. Okay, choose items. After, because there are a lot of libraries which you need to tick, we also need to click on components, and here we will go for our window media player. Okay, so we have already checked it out, so click on it and press OK, and our media player has been now inside this general bar. Now we need to run it out like this. This is our media player. Okay, now this is our Windows media player. Now we will go for any video which we have. So we will go to this PC, E drive, and in YouTube or any other video. Okay, this is my PC. Okay, so your PC may have some different videos. Okay, so we will go and we will go to properties. This is okay, we need to copy its link. You also need to do all these steps. Okay, we will go to here and we will, or before going to the link, we need to write here string f is equal to something, that is the URL. Okay, now when we will double click this push button 1, then all these statements within this private void button 1 underscore click will get executed. All the instructions within these brackets, within these 2 brackets, will get executed. So now we will write string f. Why? Because we want to insert our URL or path of the file here. Okay, string f means that of string data type we have created a variable whose name is f. F means that we can now store some data in it. Now we will step elia last is the name of the file, and .mp4 is the what is called is the type of the file, .mp4. Okay, so this is string name. Now string will be inside this variable f. Now we will write the name of the media player, that is x Windows media player 1 .url is equal to f. Now this is the whole task. Okay, in order to play the video, you need to write .url. This is a function, and x is Windows media player 1 is our component or class. .url. Now f is given to this URL, and Windows media player will play this file. Okay, for us. Okay, now we will run it out. We will press the push button. Okay, now you can see that our video has been running. Okay, so hopefully you got the concept that how you can play a video in what's called is the in ch.net. So thanks for visiting our channel, and don't forget to subscribe.